Morning, children. Look who's come to say hello to you this morning. We haven't seen Love in a while. Love, it's nice to see you. You haven't been with us for a while. Okay, why are you here with us this morning? Ah, because you wanted to come and ask for some sweets. But the jar's empty. So how am I going to help you with that? Oh, you put some sweets in the lid. Okay, so here's the lid, and I see, you've chosen the worms. All right, so that's fair enough. You asked me nicely. You said, please, could you have some sweets? And so I'm going to send some sweets. There's one for you, one for Arabella. Okay, and there's another one for Sammy. Okay, so I'm giving you 3 sweets. You happy with that? Why do you want another 2? Oh, okay, because Sophia came to visit, all right, and Fred's with you as well. All right, so that's 5. So you had 3. Are you happy with that? And now I've given you another 2. Count with me, Sam, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you can each get 1 sweet. Okay, now I'm going to give these to you, and you make sure you share them, please. You don't eat them all on your own. Okay. Right, you're going to say bye. Say bye nicely to the children. Bye. Off you go. There we go. Okay, so children, today I have asked mommies, please, to get your counters out, and you're going to actually have to listen to me and work with your counters. Right, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to take your leopard sheet out, okay, that you've got in front of you with your leopards on, and you should have 2 leopards. That's it. Okay, now what I want you to do is down the middle of your line of your leopards, I want you to draw a line. Okay, any color you like, whatever color cookie you've got. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to do exactly the same as we did when we were working with Love. Okay, so this leopard here has got 1 spot on him. Okay. Now we can't take that spot away. On this leopard here, I would like you to put and 2 more. Right, so he's already got 1 spot. And so that's his 1 spot and 2 more. We can't just add 1 more and say, now he's got 2. We need and 2 more. Now you already put this spot the same as that one because he had 1. Okay, we're going to draw on this side now. 1 and 2 more. Okay, so add your and 2 more. 1, 2. Okay, if you add 2 counters, that'll be perfect. Okay, I'm just drawing dots on because it's easier than working with counters. Right, so he had 1 spot, and now he's got 2 more. This one still just got his 1 spot, okay, which is fine, because what we wanted to see is if we could give this leopard here 2 more. 1 and 2 more. Okay, so these sums sometimes get a little bit confusing, I must be honest, okay, when we start working with them, because we want to just remember the 1 that we've got. Okay, now we've got a leopard who has got 3 spots. Okay, and we're going to say this time, this leopard only wants 1 more. Okay, so put 3 counters on your leopard because he's got 3. And on this one, put your 3. So I'm going to draw my 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we said he wanted 1 more. There's the one I've added. Maybe I should put some brown on that one. Okay, he only wanted 1 more. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Those were the ones he had, and we gave this one the ones he had. and one more. So that will give us 4. Okay, he's got 4 spots. He's got 3. He's got to still have his 3 and one more. We can't lose these 3. All right. So that's why you're putting out your counters 3, and then you're putting 3 on this side because he always had 3, and then you're adding on this one and one more counter that you wanted. So he's got one more spot. Okay, let's try another one. See how good you're getting now. Right. Let's take number 2. All right. Put 2 counters, please, on both of your leopards. You got 2 counters on both of your leopards. That's good. Okay, let me put my 2 counters on this one. 1, 2. Okay, and now we're going to say, and 3 more. So now we've got to add. We've got the 2 is 2, and this leopard's got to have and 3 more. 1, 2, 3 more. So put and 3 more counters onto your leopard. And how many spots did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you got 5 spots, you were correct. Okay, I want to do another one with you, and I want to see this time if you could maybe just do it on your own. And I know it is very confusing because you're going from one side to the other, but I promise I'm trying to help you. Okay, so this time it tells us this leopard already had 4 spots. Okay, so what are you going to do now? Put 4 on both leopards. Okay. And now we are going to put 3 more. Okay, so now I must put my 4 on, which you've already done. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I must add 3 more. So put on 3 more counters. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and how many spots has your leopard got now? He should have 4, which we did, and another 3. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so can you see we don't just remember the first number, or we don't remember the second number. We have to remember both numbers. Right, I couldn't just give Love 3 sweets. There wouldn't have been enough. And I couldn't have just given him 2 sweets. So I had to remember both of them. Okay, so if we say to you, draw a leopard with 3 more spots, then you would have to draw these spots first and 3 more. And that's what you've been doing. Then in this one, we said to you as well, draw a leopard with 3 more spots. Okay, and this leopard already had 2, so we had to put in 3 more spots. And then we had a leopard with 3 spots. We had our leopard with 3 spots, and we drew another one because it said 3 spots and 1. So that gave us 4. And then we had a leopard with 1 spot, remember? And we added on 2 more. So he had 3 spots. So these do get a little bit confusing, but we've just got to remember we can't just take away the first lot of spots we have. Okay, now this is the one that I want you to do in your books for me. and I want to see how clever you're going to be. All right. So now I want you to take your Koki pen, not your counter, okay, and on your one leopard, in the first leopard, on the left-hand side, I want you to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. Okay. Not tiny ones, please. When I see them, I want to be able to see them. I don't want to have to put another pair of glasses on to see them. Okay, have you got your 5 spots now? Now remember, it's going to be 5 and another 2. So first, on this side, draw 5, please. And now I want you to draw another 2. Okay, and if you've done all this, your leopard should look like this. He should have his 5 spots like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another 2. So we didn't just do 2 spots on our leopard. Okay. So I hope if you are asked to draw 3 more or 5 more or 2 more, you now understand. You do this number first, you put it across here, and then you add the numbers. All right. Well, I think that's a lot to do today. And so I'm going to leave you with that. I know that we're getting near the end of your book, and you must be excited. And I'm excited because soon we're going to start working on our new theme. So thank you for concentrating. I know it's been difficult. And I hope that you understand what I'm saying now, but we'll do plenty more. So don't worry too much about it. And I hope you're going to color in your leopard now and give him an amazing spot. See you soon.